Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are trying to install a app on your Android phone and you are facing the problem and the app is not installed on your phone, in this video I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. So first thing, your mobile setting, and scroll down and go to the app section. Now go to the special app access. Now scroll down and click on the install unknown app. This section will show you which app are allowed to install app from the unknown source. So allow from here to install the app. The next solution is check the storage of your phone. For this, again go to your mobile setting and click on the storage and check the storage available or not. If it is not available, then delete or uninstall the unused app. The next solution is clear Google Play Store data and cache. For this, long press on the Play Store and click on the app info. Now click on the storage and cache. Now once clear cache and one clear storage of the Play Store. After doing this step, check the problem again. If it persists, then check for the update of your Android phone. For this, go to the setting and scroll down and go to the system and updates and check for the updates. If your Android phone is available for update, then update it. Otherwise, follow next step. Next is restart your device. For this, long press the power button and restart your device. After doing this step, check again the problem. If it persists, then next is again go to the mobile setting and then click on the system. Now click on the reset option and you can end factory reset. Doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.